Radio Garden is an interactive map, a web page with thousands of radio stations from around the world that you can access at any time using the globe to go to the place in the world whose radio you want to listen to. Just move the map with the mouse pointer to change your radio station automatically. Depending on your location on the globe, you will see nearby and popular stations in the country. You can save favorites and search. In addition, you can lock the station to scan the map without it switching automatically. Radio stations are marked across the globe with a green circle that varies in size according to the concentration of frequencies in the location. But this tool goes beyond that, because in addition to tuning in to all the radio stations that are broadcast over the internet, listeners can connect with distant cultures as well as reconnect with the people of their country thousands of kilometers away. Thus, Radio Garden features several sections. The first of these is Live, where listeners can explore today's radio world in real time. These sections say its creators will invite questions such as what sounds familiar, what sounds strange, what place would you like to visit, and what sounds like home. In the History section, the users can tune in to clips from throughout the evolution of radio that show how the airwaves have tried to cross linguistic and geographic boundaries, how nations adapted to the radio system, and what their contributions to the world have been. Another section is Jingles, where information about the characteristics of the registered radio stations can be obtained. Thus, when the user clicks on any of them, the platform will issue a series of data related to those elements that are part of the identity of the station. Finally, there is the Stories section, where listeners from the past and present tell how they listen beyond their immediate environment, how they imagine voices and sounds around the world, and how they use the radio to feel at home.